Let's see how to paste an entire Excel page into Microsoft Word without going off the edge. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that you want to paste a particular table or our spreadsheet from Microsoft Excel into Microsoft Word. Now there are two ways to do that. First is by highlighting or copying your content from Microsoft Excel. So what that's going to look like is just like this, Control C and Control V. Now, while this may work in smaller units, such as when you're only using a few cells, this may not work when you're working with a wider data, since that will tend to go out of the page, especially in Microsoft Word. So instead, what you can do is you can link your Excel file into Microsoft Word. And this is how you do it. First, click on Insert, and from here, select Object. And this window should pop up right here. And if you have saved the file from your Microsoft Excel into your computer, click on Create from File and Browse. Now, open that file. And as you can see, that will automatically create a table that is linked to your Microsoft Excel file. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.